Hello everyone, it's Kaitlyn here, the Human Resources and Marketing Intern at TLC. I'm in Wortley Village today with the Design and Build team getting another update on the current backyard renovation they're working on. I've been here 3 other times and recorded videos. Those are uploaded on our social media, so definitely check those out. There has been some major progress since the last time I've been here, about 3 days ago. I'm gonna share that with you guys, ask Stefan a couple questions, and let him take it away.
Hey again guys, Stefan here, back again with the Wortley job. Lots of changes in the last 3 days. We finished gluing all these caps and all the cliff lights have been installed underneath. So they will, if you guys can see them, they'll highlight the garden and just accentuate the wall. We're doing some garden prep, so we're just re-edging it, making sure it's nice and crisp. Put some fresh two-way down, so that'll be amended in the soil tomorrow. We'll till it in. Finishing up the gardens coming around. We're going to continue running fence board. So that's just to continue the barrier that's already existing, you know, prevents animals from getting through, etc. Makes a good edge for us. Sabrina finished installing all the ledge curb today. It looks really sharp. So following around and into the wall, which unfortunately you can't see right now, but it's a 2-tier wall, so it's got a step up. Some more cliff lights in there. And then as you can see, the stone paradise has changed quite a bit. So we have all the pillars finished by Logan. Wonderful job. They're all perfectly level with the finished height of the outdoor kitchen. We have cliff lights in there, as you can see. Some outlet boxes have been installed. And then the main focus of the backyard, I think now, is the outdoor oven. So this is like I said before, a prefabricated kit that we've been putting together. This is just assembly from today, so it goes fairly quick, as you can see.
And can you tell me what like the red is, or what the brick inside of it is?
Sure. So the red is it's a silicone, and it's extremely heat resistant. It's going to do 2 things here. One, I put it in at all the gaps of the quarry stone, so that prevents you from seeing the light from the exterior. And then the brick also helps with that. And then it also is applied to the back of each fire brick. And the fire brick is just a brick that's also made or prefabricated, and it's exactly for that purpose, to prevent heat and exposure. Some of this other stone, when it gets too hot, it can explode. It's very possible, depending on how long the fire is burning and how hot it gets, etc. So yeah, this is going to get a lot taller than me anyway. So,
and is that like darker stone just more for style, or is there a purpose for that?
It's exactly that. So this is our quarry stone, and it's very much like the Brussels in the project everywhere else, but it did come separate, so we didn't get that from our usual supplier. It just came as a kit. The black stone you asked about is it's an accent stone, so it just acts as like a ledge or a mantle, and it leaves a really nice finish. And then here's all kind of the inner workings before it gets completed. When I'm done in here, all you'll see is fire brick, and then it'll be closed on top, and we'll have a triple stack. So
Cool.
It'll be 3 mantles. It'll look really good.
Awesome. Well, thanks so much for walking me through this.
No problem, guys. We'll see you again.